Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video let's have a look at the colors of the Redmi Note 7. So Redmi Note 7 comes in three variants which was launched in China a few weeks back. So this comes in black, Twilight gold and fantasy blue colors. So we had a look at all the colors at Mobile World Congress. So here is our first look at the three colors. So the black variant is the regular one, while we have the Twilight and the fantasy blue color with a gradient color. So while the black variant is the regular variant, the Twilight gold and the fantasy blue colors are gradient colors. So first let's have a look at the black variant. So this is the black variant, and you can see that it is pretty elegant color. It has a glossy finishing, it's made of glass and looks pretty premium as well. And this is the Redmi Note 7 in black. Now let's have a look at the Twilight gold variant. So this is a gradient color. You can see pinkish color towards the top, and it's more of red towards the bottom section, and it's called the Twilight gold variant. So this looks pretty classy, and this is for people who love a brighter color for your Redmi Note 7, and this will also be available in India. So this is the Twilight gold variant of the Redmi Note 7. Now finally we have the fantasy blue color. So the fantasy blue color is again a gradient color. You can see that the top portion has a darker blue, while the bottom portion has a slightly more lighter blue variant. And this is again a classy color which looks bright, and this is also coming to India. So if you are a person who loves blue color, this definitely would suit you. So these are the three variants of the Redmi Note 7, the black, Twilight gold and the fantasy blue color. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.